Thank you so much. Namaste, parents. How did you like the show? The confidence, the zeal with which they are coming, and they are just 4 years old. 4.5 years old, and the confidence level is too high. So I think you being a Vivekan parent and they being little Vivekan, they all need a big round of applause. This is what Vivekanand is all about. A Vivekian whom we develop them into the confident orators. We provide them with the stage online or offline. You must have been seeing them in live shows also, and now you see them offline here. This is the school that provides the platform for the students to showcase the confidence and how well they are doing, or how well the teachers are teaching them and how well the kids are learning in the school. Because to teach these young ones, it is not an easy task. Right? So being a Vivekian, we provide them with a green and safe environment. As soon as this is the only school that has so much of greenery, which is necessary and the call of the hour, because we already lack so much of greenery in the country. So being a Vivekian, we make them the confident orators. Being Vivekian, we teach them the value of spirituality. You've seen how well they were speaking the dohas, the shlokas or the mantras. This is the only school that developed the feeling of spirituality in these young students. Being a Vivekian, we've been giving the best of the results from last 25 years. We are producing the district toppers from so long. So, and the district toppers or our alumni, they've been placed in the higher of the post, not only in India, but abroad itself. So this is what this all is about. The Vivekanand is not some common school that come up with what everybody is doing. Everybody is into studies. But we are doing the all-round development of your little Vivekians. So, in this context, the registration and admission is open for the session 2025-26. And you being the Vivekian parents and the brand ambassadors of this school, it is a request to you that if you have a sibling of your ward or any references that you have it in parent or family or friends, please do refer them, because the last day of registration is 14th of November and the admission fest is on 14th of December. So the admission are only open for playway to grade 2. We do not have seats from 3rd to 12th. We are closed with admission, only few seats that we have it for the transfer cases we'll have it. That too in the month of March, we do not know at present. So we are just looking for admissions from playway to grade 2, and that too in limited seats only. So it is all your blessings that we do not have seats and we are doing so well in the society. So we have the events coming up. You must have seen about Peekaboo. Peekaboo on the social media. Peekaboo is about a family fest that has been happening in the grounds of Swami Vivekanand School, and it is the only school that is bringing such biggest of the fest that has never happened. You must have taken your kids to Mela, any of the carnivals and all, where you just go for you just shop or you just play small games and have food and come back. And we have also been doing in our past years. But this is something that we are coming up where we've invited a clown. She is a Spanish clown. She's coming all the way from Spain. And then we have a drummer. He's a storyteller. He is from Africa. So he's in the storytelling or maybe in the drums. Or maybe an artist like clowns here are going to teach them some artistic skills. So we also have the superheroes coming up. The superheroes what the kids love around, like Spider-Man, Batman. They're coming all the way from Mumbai itself. They are the patrons in the film industry, they're the artists there. So they're coming up, the superheroes are Spider-Man, Batman, Iron Man and Deadpool. So these four are also coming all the way from Mumbai. So this is one thing that we wanted to know. You being the Vivekan parents, we'll prioritize your first because again with limited seats. So you can book your passes the sooner by first week of October. As we do not, then we will be opening the entries for the outsiders as it is a Yamunanagar Fest. It is not the Vivekan Fest, it is a Yamunanagar Fest that we are coming up with. On 1st of October, we are celebrating the 100th day of your school in the 100th day of your child in the class junior KG. So we are celebrating the 100th day where we planned up some activities for these young Vivekans also.